All right, give her.
Fuck me, I didn't know it was gonna be this long. Are you sitting on the seat or the floor? Easy.
That's okay, I'm all
Are you
right.
just testing it?
No, I'm just getting comfortable here while
Hey, you might want to get in the water a bit before you sit in it.
You gotta get... You gotta have it in the water when you do that.
You can't, you're gonna tip for sure.
Oh, that hurts.
That hurts. It hurts.
Oh, fuck.
You guys go have fun.